Hello guys, welcome to Nibal Gurukul. My vision is to give a free quality education to all. With this vision, I spend my energy, my sources. I need one help from you all. If you like these videos, kindly subscribe the channel and share with your friends and also like it. I would be grateful to you. So let us learn today about conditional operator or ternary operator, okay, and how to use them, okay, in our programming. This is what we are going to do today. First is, what is a conditional operator or a ternary operator? So the conditional operator, ternary operator is referred in C is a one question mark and colon. Okay, one question mark and colon. Why it is called as a ternary operator? Because it requires three operands. What are the three operands? Its structure is like this: operand 1, question mark, operand 2, colon, operand 3. Operand 1, question mark, colon, operand 2 or operand 3. This expression is going to produce a result. What the result is going to be? It is going to be based on the condition of operand 1. The operand 1 must produce either true or false. If it produces true, it will go and solve operand 2. If it produces false, it will go and solve what operand 3. Now, the operand 2 and operand 3 can be anything that produces a value. Based on these two, the result will be generated. The result will be generated that can be stored in a variable. Okay, let's take an example of this. Okay, so now I have right now in my example, I put here right now my integer x is equal to 7, y is 4. I have written like this: x is greater than y, question mark, x or y. I'm going to store the result. Where I'm going to store the result in C. Now, x is greater than y. What I'm going to get? I'm going to get 7 is greater than 4 is true. True means I'll get 1. 1 means non-zero. Non-zero means it's going to solve what? This. That means in my register right now, what value is placed towards 7? This 7 will be transferred to Z. Therefore, my C value, if I print it for me, I'll get what? 7. Okay, so now can I write it like this then? Can I say, I have written here right now in this case, x is greater than 10. I put a question mark, x or y. So x is greater than 10. 7 is greater than 10 is false. False means I'll get what? 0. 0 means I'll go and solve this. My register will hold right now 4. That 4 will be stored in C. Any can you can use. Therefore, my Z, if you print right now, I'm going to get 4. So can I write only x? Yeah, yes. Why? Because non-zero. Non-zero means what? It is true. True means what will be solved? This guy will be solved. That means right now my Z value is going to be what? 7. Okay, so is it necessary my operand 2 and operand 3 needs to be a single variable? No, it can be any complex expression. I don't have a problem. I can write like this. If x is there, I can say here in this case, if x is greater than y, question mark, x into 10, or I can say here y plus 3. That can be stored in a Z. Now, in this case, what will happen for me right now? My x is greater than y, 7 is greater than 10, right? Sorry, x is how much? We said what? 7, and y is how much is what? 4. X is 7, y is 4. In this case, 7 is greater than 4. Condition is true. 7 into 10 is 70. 70 will be stored in Z. If I print, I'll get 70. Anything. But remember, this must produce a value. That value will be stored in a register. Remember, okay? Now, can I say right now in this place, if x is greater than y, question mark, I say here printf percentage dx or printf percentage dy. Can I say? Yeah, in C you can say. Now what is going to happen right now? X is greater than y, 7 is greater than 4, condition is true, is going to print, the output is going to be what? 7. But what is Z is going to hold? Oh, C is going to hold. The printf is a function, it returns a value. What returns? It prints how many bytes is printing on the screen. In this example, probably my Z will hold 4. Why? Because X value is how much it is? 7. 7 is stored in an integer. Integer means I'll get how much it is, what? 4 bytes. It is going to return 4. Therefore, I'll get 4 here. Remember, this 4 has nothing to do with the Y value. This 4 is a number of bytes it's printed on the screen. Okay, so let us see in an example. So I have written like this: integer x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. Okay, I have written integer x is 7, y is 3. I am going to say here in this place integer z is equal to, x is greater than y, question mark. I put here x into 10 or what? Y into 3, y into 5, let's say. What I'm going to get? Printf percentage d, comma what? I put z. What is happening right now? I'm going to run the code. I got the output right now. Sorry, x is greater than y. I put instead of colon question mark, I put a colon. So I put run the code and I got 70. Okay, sir, I told you if I write here right now, what will happen if I write printf here? Printf percentage d, comma x into 10. I put like this. What will happen? I would ideally say never use this structure. Okay, always store it in a variable. Okay, because you have a tendency to do it, I'm doing it for you, and I put right now. See, I got 2. That means it has printed only 2 bytes on your screen. The Z value is 2. It is saying it's printed only 2 bytes on your screen. Okay, why it came on the same line 702 it came. I just, for you to understand better, I put right now here 2. Okay, it's saying only 2 bytes it is printed on the screen, not 4 bytes. It's only 2 bytes because the remaining bits must be empty. That must be the region. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, let us see here in these cases. As I said before, I would ideally say never use a structure. You will never be able to build a logic here. Okay, I put like this. Okay, always use an expression. Do not use a print statement. Okay, so let us solve a problem. Let's solve a problem here. So now, let us solve this problem. Okay, so input the salary. If the salary is greater than 50,000, give bonus of 20, otherwise give bonus of what? 30. Okay. Now, I am going to use ternary operator to solve this problem. Why? Because it's a simple for me where ternary operator same like your if else only. Where if the condition is true, it solves the first part, otherwise it solves what? The second part. Okay. So now, let us see here in these cases how I can use this, solve this problem. I need to give a bonus 20%. If it is what? It is above 50, otherwise I'll give you what? 30. I need to print the salary, bonus and the total I need to print. Okay. So let's see here how I should solve this problem. So what is my input? My input is a salary. Okay. Integer, or I can keep double salary. Why? Because I can add a fraction. Okay, printf, enter the salary. What is that in this case is scanf percentage lf, comma what, and salary. What we said, if the salary is greater than 50,000, I need to give a bonus of 20%, 0.2 into what? Salary. Otherwise, 30% of the salary. Okay, I'm going to do 30 is what? 30 by 100 into what? Salary. What I should do, I'm purposely doing it, okay? I want you to understand what are the mistakes you're going to make. And this is my bonus is going to be, okay? Double bonus is equal to this. I am going to print, what are the information I need to print? Printf per salary. Your salary is going to be percentage LF /n. Your bonus is going to be percentage LF /n. Your total is going to be equal to percentage LF, because all are. So what is the first I need to print? Salary. Second is what? Bonus. Third is what? Total. Total is what? Salary plus what? Bonus. Okay, I printed. I'm printing it. I'm going to run the code. So, okay, salary is undeclared. I wrote here sal, and here I wrote salary. So I'm sorry. Okay, salary, and then here I need to write what? Salary. Okay, done. Now I'm going to run the code, and I got it is what it is saying. It is saying enter the salary. LD I have used. See, it's the compiler is giving an error here. It's saying that I have used LD. I should use what? LF. Okay, I'm going to stop this first, and I'm going to put what? LF here. Listen to the compiler when it gives a warning. Go and solve. See the problem. Salary. I put right now in this place 70,000. Okay, and I got salary is 70,000, bonus is 14,000, and total is this. Now let us see here in this cases, I put salary is 10,000. What is happening for me? Oh, my bonus is 0. Why I got 0? Because when my salary is greater than 50,000 is false, it went this side. What it did? 30 by 100 first. 30 by 100 is not 0.3. 30 by 100 is 0. Therefore, I get 0 into salary I got. Therefore, remember, when you're making an expression, it will solve from left to right. And it will solve 2 operand and 1 operator at a time. And you need to see the result will be stored in a register. The data type of the register is always going to be what? The data type of the operands. Okay, therefore, I'm making here right now in this place 0.3. And I'm going ahead. And I put here right now salary is 10,000, and I put right now this one. Okay, yeah. So you solve another problem. Okay, using the ternary operator. I'm not asking you to use if else. Use what? A ternary operator and solve this problem. Okay, so let us solve this problem. Okay, the problem is very simple for you. Input to number, divide larger by the smaller. Okay. Remember, when I taught you relational operators, I told you if I give it 2 numbers, there is a possibility one number will be greater, right? Or both of might be what? Equal. Okay. Now what you need to do? Divide the larger by the smaller. If both are equal, also divide one by other. Okay. This is what you need to do. Okay. Can you write a code, please? Pause this video. Quote your compiler. Solve the problem and come back. Okay, come back. Do not watch the video continuously. Stop it, go back and solve it and come. Okay, let us solve the problem. What is the input? The input is going to be, if you want the result in fractions, you can keep double. We already learned it. Okay, x comma y, printf. Okay, enter 2 numbers. Okay, scan percentage LF, comma, and x comma and y. Double z is equal to, if x is greater than y, question mark. If x is greater than y, x by y, otherwise y by x, right? If x is greater than y, x is greater, divide x by y, otherwise what? Y by x. Printf, the result is equal to percentage ln, comma what? Z. I put it right now. I'm going to run the code. 2 number, I put 10 and 3. I got the answer 3.33. Okay. Now, there must be questions, sir. Why do we use a if else and what? Okay, when I can use a if else, when I can use this ternary. If your expressions are simple, use a conditional operator. If the expressions are complex, use what? An if else. If the expression is a single line, so use a ternary operator. If the expressions are multiple lines, use what? An if else here. Okay. So now I'm going to give you another problem. Solve another problem. Okay. Okay, your question goes here. Okay. Find the largest of the given 4 numbers. Okay. What has been given to you? 4 numbers. You need to find the largest of 4 numbers. Okay. So you know it very well. Okay. If you haven't been given n numbers, to find the largest of n numbers, how many comparisons are needed? N minus 1 comparisons. Right? Okay. If you have that means if you have 4 numbers, how many comparisons needed for me? What? I've needed what right now? What in this case? Only 3 comparisons. Okay. Let us see here in this case, I have been given 4 numbers. 8, 7, 15. I need to find the largest of this. So what we do first, okay. Now how we do? We can do one way. People will do like this. Compare 8 and 7 and the greater is 8. That 8 can be compared with what? 15. The greater is what? 15. That 15 can be compared with what? 2 and 15 is a greater. This is one way. The other way would have been, what is the other way would have been? Compare 8 and 7, 8 is greater. 15 and 2, 15 is greater. This result compare and stored compare. What is the greater is what? 15. Right? Okay. We made a comparison between 2 greater numbers and the result we stored. Okay. So one I am implementing, the other one you implemented. Okay. So let us go. What is being given to me? I have been given to me what? In this example, 4 numbers. Okay. X, Y, Z and A. What I need to do? I need to find the largest. Okay, I need to scan up. I've been given, okay, if you want to put a printf before put, just to prompt, enter 4 numbers, scan up, percentage LF, percentage LF, percentage LF, percentage LF, and I'm going to write here and x comma and y comma and z comma and what e. What we need to do? Compare. Now what we did, I'm going to take the second approach. If x is greater than y, who is greater out of these 2? Who is greater? X. Otherwise who is greater? Y. Correct? Store it where? You need to store it in a variable. Let's say double d1 is equal to, okay. Now double d2 is equal to, what I should do? I need to compare if C is greater than A, question mark C or A. Right? Now I got the greater D1 and D2. Now what I should do? Double D3 is equal to, if D1 is greater than D2, question mark D1 or what? D2. And print. Okay. See, we compared first 2 numbers. We compared the next 2 numbers. We stored the result. That result I am comparing with what? D1 with D2 and I got the D3. Printf. The largest is percentage LF. okay, largest is percentage LF, comma what, T3. I'm going to run the code. Yes, I got enter 4 numbers. I got 5, 7, 15 and 8. The answer is what? 15. Okay. So I don't want 2 digit, more than 2 digit after the decimal point. What do you have to do? Put what? 2. Enter the code. 4 numbers. 15, 12, 17 and 9. Yeah, cool. Okay, so let's solve one more problem, okay, using a ternary operator. Here is a question goes for you. Find whether the given 2-digit number is a special 2-digit number. What is a special 2-digit number? If I give you 59, if I add 5 plus 9 is 14, 5 into 9 is 45. If you sum it up, you will get 59 back. Okay. So what I need to do? I need to say it's a special 2-digit or not. What is my process? I need to take the 2 numbers. I need to take a 2-digit number. I need to what? Separate them, add them, multiply them, find the sum and get what the I need to compare that sum with the original number. Okay, so using ternary operator we are going to solve this problem. Okay, make an effort, go solve the problem, pause the video, go and solve the problem. So now I have been given a 2-digit number. What I should do? I need to what? Separate them into 2 digits. Okay, so I'm going to write here integer a is equal to digit 1 is equal to, how to get the first digit? We have done so many times. Okay, what I should write? X mod 10. X mod 10 will be what? The remainder of after all the 10s. Okay, if I have 59, 59 divided by 10 would be 5. The remaining is what? 9. I want 5. If I want 5, what I should do? So x divided by 10. What I should do next step? Integer. Now I need to add both of them. Sum is equal to a plus b, okay, plus a into b. This must be equal to, this must be equal to, now sum must be equal to what? Sum must be equal to x. If it is equal to x, printf, I am going to say it is a special or I'm going to say printf it is not. Printf is going to return to me a value. I'm not going to store. If you want to see what is the value is going to return, okay, first we run the code. First we run the code. Enter the 2-digit number. I put 59 and it is saying it is special. And if I put it right now 49, it's saying special 49. Yeah, so let us see right now. I put here right now 21. It is not. Okay, now what is the, it returns to me back. Okay, what is returned to me back? Let's see and what is this print right now. I'm going to say printf %d, which is of no use. See, I run the code. I put right now and I put here 59. It gave me special 7. Why 7? Because you printed 7 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters special as. Okay, therefore 7 bytes it is used. Okay, let us see if I put 21, what happens? Yeah, 3. You got 3 characters. 3 characters, 3 bytes you are printing on the screen. Okay, I hope you've understood that. Okay, cool. So revise it. I have put an assignment for you down. Solve the problem is for you to understand whether you have understood the concept or not. Okay, and please, once again, I would like to request you, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not liked it, please like and share with your friends. Okay, that would be I would be grateful to you for the same. Okay, thank you so much.